1.
A salad.
What's in the salad?
It has tomato, cucumbers, scallops, and onions. Or just, what do they call them? Scallions. Oh, the scallops is next. Spinach and Parmesan cheese. Mwah! Bless you salad. And pepper.
Yes.
Black pepper. I won't remember this. I gotta write this down when I'll do it. No, but it looks how beautiful. And Parmesan cheese.
Of course.
So welcome to our elegant dinner with Ivette and Miss Liz and my beautiful Belle. It'll be a 5-course dinner tonight. First course
It's salad.
salad.
Beautiful.
The second course is a toasted baguette, avocado, and spicy shrimp.
Yum.
And
Thank you.
enjoy. Third course. Tell us what it is, Liz.
So it's bacon with mushroom. With what type of mushroom was it?
Portobello.
Portobello mushroom, scallop on top, but you saute the scallop with vanilla. What kind of vanilla did you have?
Vanilla.
Just
Real
regular.
vanilla.
You had
Real
it in a
vanilla.
bottle. You had
Real
that vanilla in a
vanilla.
bottle. You don't. It's not the vanilla you buy from Cup Foods. It's the vanilla that you like have to like marinate. Anyway.
And brown sugar.
And brown sugar. Okay, cut.
All right. Fourth course, lobster over porcini mushroom risotto.
With some white wine or red wine.
That's right.
Thank you so much, Kelly.
Thank you,
And
Kelly.
Liz.
Thank
Thank
you
you
guys.
so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Kelly, for being a great teacher.
Oh,
Thank
beautiful
you.
ones. 3, 2, 1. Your thoughts of the evening.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me, Kelly? I always have a great time here. I mean, thank you for the food, the dessert, the wine, the hospitality, and all the love.
Love.
And it's pool, and the pool.
All right, Miss Bell, what is the 5th course for the night?
Just having friends and family here, and my Liz has become more than a friend. She's like a sister.
Oh.
This is amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you for cooking. Kelly, thank you so much for this wonderful evening. It's been real.
It has.
Thank you.
Liz.
I'm tearing because it just feels, it's real, man. Like, this is some real shit that's just loving and this is like genuine and it's just like, thank you.
Beautiful. And to my beautiful love, my beautiful sister, my beautiful new friend, it's so wonderful to have you here. 5th course. Tell what it is, Bill.
I don't know.
Strawberries and bluebell ice cream.
Oh,
yeah.
we sauteed the strawberries with sugar. Not sauteed. We caramelize them.
You know.
Oh, you